Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSESI. So we are now day 21. I'm getting sadder and sadder as the days go on because I know I only have 3 left after this one. Sad times. I've really loved doing this advent. Absolutely love the glitters. Only one, which is the tinsel one, but I'm so happy with this this advent calendar. It is absolutely stunning. Ooh, this is pretty. Blizzard seasonal mix. Oh god, I'm starting to hate them. I'm starting to hate them snow. They're pretty, don't get me wrong, but it's just a bit of a bugger when you're trying to swatch it on a swatch stick because they don't lie flat. Oh, and there's some tiny, so these ones are iridescent, and then there's some tinier ones which are holographic, and then we have a white iridescent glitter, and there's also some silver hexagons in there as well. Just gonna move those so I can swatch it. Shit. What did I drop? Oh, my swatch stick. Okay. Try and get in here. Here we go. Give it a little bit of a mix. Get off your bugger. Oh, there's some iridescent strands in there. So you don't really know what the, I mean obviously you can see from the pot, but it's only until you actually get in there, swatch it even, then you know what the glitter's like. I don't know what I'm trying to say there. This is very pretty. Love the little snowflakes. They are dead cute. Let's close that up. Again with this one, because obviously the acrylic is still wet, it looks a little cloudy. But yeah, you see it's quite cloudy. You see the blue there, that's the tinsel. Is it called tinsel? Yeah, the strands. So pretty. What I will do is I will show you this one and yesterday's one tomorrow when it's dry, so you can actually see the full beauty of it, because it is quite cloudy. So yes, that is it for today. Such a beautiful glitter. Very happy again. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and again you will see me tomorrow. Bye bye.